Good morning, y'all. Okay, so today is move-in day. But yeah, it's 8:30. Yeah, like 8:30. Right now I'm about to go ahead and load up the car. And I should have took the gum out of my mouth because I'm smacking hella hard. So I'm about to load up the car. I have a bunch of stuff. I need to go pick up my keys and then start loading stuff in, but all of my stuff's not gonna fit in my car, so I have to put it in my cousin's car. These are just, this is stuff I bought for the apartment, so I kept it in its IKEA bag. My pillows, laundry basket, all my hair products for the hair I don't have anymore, all my hair, and then suitcases. There we go. This one's full of shoes, winter clothes, other clothes, more clothes, cleaning supplies, and bathroom BS that I couldn't fit in the suitcases. And my film equipment, minus my ring light. Yes, this is my ghetto setup that you guys have been seeing. But yeah, we're gonna go throw all this in the car and see what fits. Okay, so, ooh. Hold on. Damn. Jesus. I look so mean. Anyways, y'all just gonna have to deal with this awful lighting that keeps happening because it's first thing in the morning. I'm driving, the sun's out. You feel me? Also gonna have to deal. You're not gonna have to deal with my obnoxious smacking. However, as you can see, my car is loaded up. Ooh, I hope you can hear me. Okay, I just had to make sure y'all can hear me because, you know, my car be connecting through Bluetooth. But, glowing, aka sweating. I'm sweating. As you can see, I moved everything into my car. So now I am on my way to my new apartment. I damn near fit everything in my car except for my 3 suitcases and my pillows. But that's totally fine. All the main stuff is in my car, so I won't need it. Plus, I'm gonna be moving everything and unloading everything, and then I gotta go to work, so it's not like I'm gonna need the pillows because I'm not gonna lay down. I don't even get the chance to take a break. Need some Carmex. But yeah, so I'm on my way now. It's 9:09. I stay about 30 minutes away, so I'll be there at 9:30, which is good. I want to be there kind of early. That way, one, I could, not be lost, but I like to be exactly on time, or like maybe 15 minutes early. I'm sorry if it's kind of shaky. Atlanta roads are awful. But, I want to be there like 15 minutes earlier, so that way I could, when it hits 10 o'clock, I could just unload. I already have my keys, I can unload. Get up out of there because I am still trying to go to work, even though I kind of don't want to. Rent gonna be due on the 1st, and we need income, so there is that. I feel like I need to drive like so much safer because y'all can see me doing it. Point is we're in here and we're getting ready to move, and that's all I'm excited about. So this is not, you chose not to get in the turning lane. I'm gonna let you go ahead, sure. But people in Atlanta can't drive, and it just really distracted me. I'm not gonna be able to film me unloading any of this because of the fact that I'm by myself. So this is the room. You know, a little dazzle. I thought the window was gonna be bigger, so I'm quite disappointed in that, but that is okay. There's drawers under here, but I think I'm gonna move those to the closet because the closet, I love hardwood floors, by the way, but the closet is pretty damn big. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got some stuff in here. It's hella shelves, like, and they're high. If you know me, I'm small, so there's that. But yeah, like the closet definitely big enough for me and whatever else to fit up in here. So there's that. So I can see the room. That's the front door. Like to my room. And this is my bathroom. I love the bathroom. I think it's so nice. I put everything in the bathroom because I'm about to rearrange out there. So I wanted it to be, you know, hey, it's me. Look, y'all. Ew. Okay, no, I'm sweaty and gross. But the shower is nice and it's marble and I think that's just so cute. So I cannot wait to really do this place up and get it looking how it should be. It's me again. What to do? But yeah, so my phone needs to charge, so I'm just gonna put it on the charger and let it run. Yeah, y'all about to see me attempt to put stuff together. So yeah, I'm excited. I forgot to film an outro for this, as always. However, seeing this is how the room has been, I haven't changed it since. It's not fully decorated. There's definitely more to come. So my actual room tour will not be up for like probably another month or so, just because I want to have everything put together. This was strictly just the move-in process of you seeing me move everything in, seeing me get it together, and how I went about it. So this is just like the baseline for how my room's gonna look. I'm gonna be here for a year. It's gonna need to look better than this. So that is coming. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more.